Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new around here, my name is Heena Somani. I'm a fashion consultant. So today we are going to do a fairly colorful look. And you guys know I'm mostly into neutrals, but today I thought, you know what, let me do a colorful look for you. So I saw this palette called Vrindavan palette by Azafran Cosmetics, and I was so inspired by the colors. As soon as I saw this palette, I thought, you know what, some of the colors pop out like a peacock's color. So we could go for like a nice blue purple smoky eye. But I still wanted this smoky eye to be fairly wearable. So I'm going to directly start with my eyes. If you want to see what I did for my base, I've actually uploaded a video on my Instagram. I can put a link in the bottom bar and you can go and watch that to see the products I've used for my base. So I'm going to begin with the first shade, which is Pristine, and I'm going to use it as a base for my eyes. Next, I have taken the shade Innocent and put it very slightly in the crease. I have already put lots of translucent powder under my eyes, so whatever fallout is there, that would come on the powder and I can brush it off later. After that, I'm going to mix Innocent as well as Divine to give a very subtle depth to the crease. This will help my eyeshadows blend much easier. Now I'm taking the shade Mystic, which is a really nice deep blue, and I'm putting that in my outer corners and extending it towards my crease. I'm going to blend this shade with Innocent and Divine. After that, I'm going to take shade Naive and again deepen the outer corners and my crease area. Once I'm done with that, I've taken the shade Seductive on my fingers and I'm putting that on my lid. I like to use my fingers because they give me the most density, especially for lid colors. Now I'm going to take the shade Naive again. I have to be honest, I absolutely love the names these guys have given to the eyeshadows. So I'm going to put a drop of my Duradyne into the shade Naive and put this as an eyeliner. This will make my eyeliner waterproof. I'm going to make a wing liner so that it gives some sharpness to this look. Once I'm done with my eyeliner and I'm happy with it, I'm going to move on to my under eyes. I'm putting a turquoise shade in my waterline and I'm going to mix Naive and Mystic, similar colors that I've used in my crease under my eyes. After I'm happy with the under eyes, I'm going to take this shade Seductive and Opulent, just mix them a little bit and put it in my tear ducts. This will give a subtle brightness yet keep the colorful theme on. We are done with the eyeshadows. I'm going to curl my lashes and put some mascara. You can either stop at this step or I would like to put some more falsies. So I'm going to do that off camera and come back. Now that my falsies are on, I'm going to put a contour shade. I've taken a nice warm contour shade, putting it under the hollows of my cheeks as well as under the jawline. And I'm going to blend this really well with a beauty blender. For my blush, I'm going to take Rosebud Pink with a brush, applying that on my cheeks and extending it upwards, finally blending it with a beauty blender. Finally, for my favorite part, I'm going to use the Honey Gold from this palette. I'm going to put that on the bridge of my nose, Cupid's bow, cheekbones. Look at that. Now I'm going to blend it one last time and move on to my lipstick. I've taken a really nice corally pink shade. This will add some more color to the lips, but I wanted to make my lips look a bit fuller yet a bit toned down. So what I've done is I've taken Honey Gold on my hands and I'm dabbing it on so it makes this coral pop out a little less, but still making my lips look really full. Putting the highlight on the brow bone, and that's it. We are done. That's the final look. I really hope you guys like it. I absolutely love how colorful yet wearable this look is. And let me know how you guys like it. Any more requests that you have. Thank you so much for being here with me. And I love you guys a lot. See you very soon.